Might as well lock and load. Oh yeah, lefty. My wife's a fucking lefty. All right. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, here we go. Clear trigger, holster. Alright, PCC. Oh, good. Oh, I like that. Stuff it back in. Attaboy. Never know when you might need it.
I don't know why it's doing that now.
Right?
Yeah, it kept like
All right, let's clear the gun.
stopping there.
Okay, you're clear. Don't worry about that.
Locked open.
Okay. Yep. Pistol. The next one's gonna be on the move.
Oh.
Okay.
Did I hit on the second one? I didn't hear it.
You hit your third one, you hit it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you're clear. Slide.
Wow.
Slide. Trigger. Holster. Hey, you know what? That's what extra rounds are for. Okay, let's hold on. Hold on.
Hey.
Okay. All right. You're clear.
Clear?
Flag.
We're gonna put the flag in.
Safety on. Okay.
Clear?
All right, range is clear. Tapers and scores.
Thank you, Carl.
Table over here like I've been doing, which works out better.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
Hot one today. Hot one today.
Yeah. Yeah, you may point down range low to make ready. You actually may want to step back a couple steps because...
Oh, because of the barrel?
Well, no, because walking forward to
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
you
of
kind
course.
At least give yourself a little bit of an angle.
Yeah,
Yeah, some kind of shit like that, right?
something like that. Okay.
All right. I know the shooter's ready.
Shooter's ready.
Stand by, shooter.
Standing by. I know what I did.
Trigger, holster, grab your magazine.
On the move, right?
Move, yeah.
Okay, on the move to the barrel, too far. Go. Okay, ground the rifle. Go. First one's on the move. Unload and show clear. You're clear. Release the slide, release the hammer, holster the firearm. Get your rifle.